Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ratchet Repair Garage. It's kind of cold here in the garage, and of course, you see my hair. Yeah. Uh, it's cold. Minnesota's it's cold. Um, 31 degrees or 30 degrees today. That's fine. That's okay. Um, I need my hat. Oh, damn it. Then I dropped it. I was gonna show you something. Just kind of out of the blue. Maybe if you wanted to see. This hat here with my logo on it, and then on the back has a YouTube channel. So this one here is embroidered. Or embroidered. Not embroidered. What the hell am I thinking? Anyhow, I've got many jobs that I'm doing on. I've got my tools that I'm working on. I'm trying to do those. Sorry I haven't gotten a video right away. Got one done out. I've been sick. I've been fixing on this. My pop machine. This is an old pop machine. It was out, but I was able to fix it. Now, for some reason, it's breaking a breaker, or popping a breaker, I should say. But, back to little old me. As in embroidering, that's how this hat's done. Now my hat doesn't, or my hair doesn't all poofed out. But, anyway, I'm looking for everybody's idea and comment and their thoughts, because I love colors. Who in the world does not love colors? I mean, there's red, there's blue, there's green, there's purple, there's orange, there's yellow, funnel, there's colors everywhere. The whole thing is I've got some new sweaters made, and because it's wintertime, I do not yet, but if I can get a comment and a like, or if you do, like the sweater, I plan on going further. It will help me with Ratchet Repair Garage. This is not my logo, this is Dick's, or Dickies. So, you know that. It's a nice shirt, but not as good as a sweater. Not as good as a sweater. I'm going to show you the sweater here in a little bit. But I do have to apologize for all my followers that I'm sorry I've been sick. And it's not because of my implant or someone's kicked me in the nuts. It's just I was sick. And I hate when someone's in my garage and they don't put stuff away. Anyhow, what I'm trying to do is try and get a little bit better with what I have, and I'm looking out for people that will like my new coming colors. I have 2 of them. The other ones are still at the shop. I can get any size, any color. You just gotta let me know. And if you do want one, I can get one. So, for further ado, I'll show you this one. Of course, we're sitting on the back of the motorcycle. It's a little easier for me. Now, this here is the one that I got for me. It's not because of the bright yellow, but in the front, you've got my logo here, And then you have the YouTube channel there. And of course, I'm trying to see at the same time. But I'm going to put this on because I'm cold. And of course, you guys can't see what I can see. Ow, my shoulder. I'm still trying to fix my shoulder yet. And I got to get a haircut. I can tell you that right now. That's what my hair does. Especially when you get my age. So, if you like the sweater, now, if you don't like the fluorescent yellow or whatever, I just got the fluorescent yellow because this here will actually have the pocket down on the bottom as so you can kind of put your hands if your hands get cold. Now, I know in other states it's not as cold. That's not fair, but I've lived with Minnesota for so long that it doesn't really bother me that much. So, but what I'm going to try and do is show you the back. Now, I hope if you like the back of it, please give me a like, give me a comment. I'm looking for positives, not for negatives. I'm looking for positives. So the back of the sweater is a very, very enlarged logo, like so. Now I can't even see myself. There we go. That's on the back. I haven't really gotten prices yet, but I know how much they'll come up to for me. And again, there's the front. So the one that you see here, oh, wrong finger, here is the same as the one that's in the back. But a lot, the only thing that is the hoodie is kind of hides it. If you're interested into one, please leave me a comment so I know who to get a hold of. I've been doing this now for the last 3 days, and I've had so many people come up to me and ask me, who are they? What are they? What am I? What do I do? I'm a starting of a YouTube channel, and I'm trying to get bigger. And bringing my name out and so forth. It will help me out. It'll help me out tremendously. So, trying to do that. If you remember one of the videos that I had, the gentleman with the motorcycle, we were going to fix it. Now, if I can show that, right there is the cards for that. Now, I did not know that. I hate my toolbox that aren't shot. Anyhow, that goes to this Suzuki motorcycle. That's got to be done. It's going to be too cold to ride a bike, but I still want to fix the bike. I need to get someone's thoughts on what they think. This is my man cave, what you can call, but the shop isn't here. I do a lot of my stuff here anyway, but I'm just looking out for the best opinion, the best option, the best comment, something that will help me move up. And now I'm a lot warmer, thank goodness, because 30 degrees, oh my God, it's going to freeze your nipples. No offense, ladies. But I cannot stand being cold. I don't mind going hunting. I don't mind going fishing, but the cold, nah. Mm-mm. I'm not a favor for cold. But I live in it anyway, and I have for years. But the last thing I can mention is I'm gonna try and get this. I don't know why I am, but I'm gonna get this pop machine fixed before, because it keeps popping a breaker. And then with that, get my toolbox is, because now I don't have just one, I've got many. I gotta get these organized and then get my trucks put away and then still find a trailer. If anybody has an idea where I can get a nice 2-axle trailer, hit me a hit down and below on the bottom. Give me a hint where I might be able to find one. I've checked Marketplace. I've checked Craigslist. I don't know where else to go, unless there's any other ones that I am unaware of. But everybody says, quote, quote, Marketplace. But before I start freezing myself, I just thought that I'd get this out to make sure that everybody and viewers, and hopefully if I can get some of these out. Oh my gosh, I went the whole time with this string like this. But anyhow, there is other colors, as I was saying, like saying rainbow. I was trying to be funny about it. So there is like red. There's red, green, blue, purple. Tell me what you think. I honestly need your opinion. Give me a like. Give me a comment. I'd love to hear it from it, so I know what's going on. Just so I know that someone's watching. As soon as I can get up to 500 subscribers, I'm giving away 5 sweaters. So I'm not that far. So that's what I'm gonna mention. What color, what size, what choice, what do you, it's up to you. It's you choose, your choice, you tell me. And if I can get to 500, I just want to keep going. God bless. I want everybody to have a great day, have a great week, and we'll go from there. God bless.